begins with the Madhurashtakam in Ragamalika and Adi Talam. She has chosen to enact in detail the beautiful friendship between Sudama and Lord Krishna and the recitation of the Bhagavad Gita by Lord Krishna to his beloved Arjuna, the Madhurashtakam.
I'm Swapna Rajendra Kumar and I'm a student of Kalashri Sunanda Nair, who's a noted disciple of Padma Bhushan Dr. Kanak Rile. I've been in Bangalore since last 13 years now, and I have started my own dance school named Nrityangan, which gives training in Mohiniyattam to those interested. Mohiniyattam, as you know, is a dance form of Kerala and resembles the nature. The flow of the movement resembles the flow of the water, the trees, the wind, as you see it in Kerala. And we have a lot of fluid movements, not rigid as in comparison to Bharatanatyam. And dance to me is everything. If there wasn't dance, I don't think I would live. I am basically a software person. I used to work as an animator, but once I had my daughter, generally it's like, with many, they say after they have a kid, they stop dancing, the family doesn't support, you have a lot of commitments at home. But in my case, it was just the other way around. My daughter is one who's a reason for me to come back to dance, because I wouldn't get back to a full-time job. And I was always a good dancer in college level and in school level, but I didn't think of pursuing dance as a profession then. But then when life became so monotonous for me, dance is what took me away from myself, made me realize my own personality, that I am made for dance. And today for me, first of all, wish everyone out there a happy dance day, World Dance Day. For me, every day is a dance day. I love dancing every day. If I'm given a place to dance and some time to dance, I would just do dance. But because of other commitments, I just get maybe 1 hour a day to rehearse and I take my classes. So I feel everyone who likes to dance or wishes to take dance as a career, it's not at all a bad career. If you like it, if you love it, if it's your passion, make it your career. It's a very flourishing career these days. Happy Dance Day. Thank you.
from North India. To present Kathak today, we have Sampada Pillai. She began her training at Kala Academy, Goa, and is currently under the tutelage of Pandita Dr. Rohini Bhatte. She will present Teen Tal, the focus of which is rhythm and the turns, very characteristic of Kathak as a dance style.
Namaste, I am Srimati Sampada Pillai, a disciple of Guru Pandita Rohini Bhatte. Today is the day of World Dance event and we are performing here for the first time. I run a Rhythm Kathak school in Yelahanka, Newtown, and it's been approximately 2.5 years since I have established the school there. And we're very happy to be here on this event, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity for all of us. And lots of gratitude to Shri Ashish ji for organizing such a wonderful platform for all of us, and we look forward to this event today. Thank you very much.
Sampada will now present a doha, which is an abhinaya piece in Kathak. In this, the gopis complain that they are distracted by the beautiful music of Krishna's flute, to which he responds saying, "Cut away the bamboo in the forest, for then there will be no flute to play." A doha, abhinaya piece in Kathak by Sampada Pillai.
एक सुनी लौट गई और एक लोट पोट भई, एकन के द्रगन थे निकस अब कीजिए उपाय बांस डारिए कटार, फिर नहीं उपजेंगे बांस और फिर नहीं बजेगी बांसुरी।
We now present Meghna Das, who began learning with her mother, Srimati Sahana Das, and is currently under the tutelage of Srimati Madhulita Mohapatra. Today, Meghna will present an Ashtapadi from Jayadeva's Gita Govind, Yahi Madhava, Yahi Keshava. In this, Radha is a Khandita Nayika who is hurt and disappointed with Krishna, for she knows that he has spent a night filled with passion with one of the gopis, or more than one of the gopis. The music for this has been composed by Sri Vinod Ponda. The original choreography has been done by Mayadhar Rao and contemporarized by Srimati Sahana Das.
Hi, I'm Meghna Das. I'm an Odissi dancer and I've been learning for about 20 years now, so ever since I was a young child. Today for the World Dance Day Festival I performed an Ashtapadi from Jayadev's Gita Govind called Yahi Madhava. This is a piece where Radha has waited all night for Krishna to arrive, and he finally shows up at the break of dawn, and initially she's really happy that he's arrived. When she takes one look at him, she realizes that he has spent an entire night with another woman. So he has kajal stains and alta marks on his chest, and he has obviously been in a night's passion with somebody else. And this piece is Radha's outrage, her heartbreak, her betrayal, and she tells him, go away, I don't want to hear your lies, don't try to fix this, I don't want to see you ever again, please go away. It's a very intense, very emotional item. It's also very close to my heart because it's a choreography that my mother taught me. So I always really enjoy doing this piece, and I hope everybody liked it as well. Dance is my life, my passion, my job, my everything. It's the reason I wake up in the morning, and it's always such a pleasure to perform for new audiences. So this is a wonderful, wonderful platform, and happy World Dance Day to everybody. I hope you all celebrate with all of us as well. Thank you.
Baba Namaste. My name is Ameera Patankar. I'm a Kathak dancer from Pune. I'm a student of Srimati Shama Bhatteji. I feel really lucky to be able to perform today on World Dance Day because for A, it's my first solo in Bangalore, so it means a lot to me. And secondly, I've heard that this stage is a really wonderful stage. A lot of stalwarts and great artists have come here and performed. So, and in front of me there were I don't know how many great gurus. So I feel really honored to be able to perform here today. What I performed, I did a chaturang based in Ragdesh. A chaturang is basically a composition which has 4 aspects of Kathak. And this chaturang spoke of Lord Krishna, his beauty, his melodious flute, and the ecstasy, the atmosphere of brilliancy that he hovers all around him. My second piece was Kaliya Mardan. It's the famous battle between Lord Krishna and the demon snake Kaliya. And Lord Krishna emerges victorious from the waters, dancing on the snake. Happy World Dance Day to everybody, and I feel really lucky. I love dancing, and I think dance is happiness. I'm happiest when I'm dancing, and dance is enjoyment. So what I would tell everybody here is that just dance. Dance, you need not do classical, Kathak, Bharatanatyam, Bollywood, whatever. Do whatever you want, don't be conscious, just dance to your heart's content. Keep dancing.
ले गेंद हाथ नाचत नटवर नागवधू कर जोर खड़ी और नतमस्तक का ये विषधर देव सृष्टि से पुष्प वृष्टि करे चकित दृष्टि सब ज्ञान मुनि मृग खग विहग तंग ध्रुव लोलुप गगन पुरित जय घोष ध्वनि जय जय गिरिधारी जय कृष्ण मुरारी जय काली तारी
We now present a young Anish Raghavan from Pondicherry. He belongs to the Deva Prasad Das style of Odissi and is a disciple of Sangeeta Das. He has been training for the last 10 years and has performed in various national and international dance festivals and in the august presence of the President of India. He begins his performance with the Ganesh Tanda, which is descriptive of the joyous dance of Lord Ganesha.
So this is Anish Raghavan from Pondicherry. I'm an Odissi dancer and I'm student of Srimati Sangeeta Das. I belong to a very interesting style of Odissi called the Deva Prasad Das style, which is not very famous and which should become famous, I believe. And I'm very glad to represent this style in this festival, the World Dance Day Festival. And I really enjoyed dancing here because according to me, dance is not just a profession or a kind of hobby, but it is an integral education because you are exposed to rhythm, pattern, mathematics, music, literature, and physical aesthetics. So that is why I want to make dance part of my life, and I'm very happy that I have got this platform here in this very reputed festival. So I presented two items. The first one is called Ganesha Tandava, and the word Tandava is usually referred to Shiva, which is a very aggressive and masculine dance. But Tandava has other characteristics, and through Ganesh Tandava, another beautiful characteristics of the Tandava is expressed. That is the jolly dance of Ganesha, the way Ganesha enjoys his dance. So this was an item choreographed by my guru, where she's tried to put in many cute and humorous, almost humorous elements in the dance form, like the way the trunk of Ganesha joins his dance, the way the mouse also contributes to that dance, and the way Ganesha eats the laddu mischievously and plays with the snake. So this is Ganesha Tandava. The second item which I presented was a Pallavi. Pallavi is a very important segment in the repertoire of Odissi dance, and Pallavi comes from the word Pallava, which is blossom. So you see the whole music as well as the dance blossoming. So that's how the Pallavi is choreographed. So this Pallavi was in Rag Shankarabharnam, which is one of my favorite dances and which I really enjoy dancing.
We now present Aranyani Bhatta. Aranyani has been a disciple of Leela Samson, with whom she trained for over 15 years. Since then, Aranyani has danced all over India and the world. She's also an avid dance writer and teaches dance in Bangalore. Aranyani was recently awarded the Natya Kala Mani Award in Madras. She begins with a Kirtanam, a classic Kalakshetra piece, Mi Urai Pai Hanumani, a piece about Rama's plea to Hanuman to tell Sita he is coming to rescue her. Rama tells Hanuman 3 stories to gain her trust. Vishwamitra coming to Dashrath to seek Rama and Lakshman's protection from Tatakai, Sita's stubbornness to accompany Rama into exile, and Sita's capture via the Golden Deer, the Kirtanam.
My name is Aranyani Bhatta. I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer. I performed a Kirtanam and a Javali at Alliance Française at the World Dance Day celebration. The Kirtanam was an excerpt from the Kamban Ramayana, and it depicted Rama telling Hanuman to go and tell Sita that he's on his way to rescue her. And the Javali, in contrast to a very heavy piece, was quite light-hearted. It was a younger friend, an older friend teasing a younger friend that I saw you looking at him from Mandeva Vale, and I saw him looking back at you also. And don't be fooled by how beautiful he is. He's Krishna, but he's very, very naughty. He's promiscuous. He has many women that he's involved with. So do you want to give your heart away to such a man? As far as World Dance Day is concerned, I feel it's an important thing because the key word for me here is world, because I think that now more and more dance is becoming a universal language, and I think I talked about this in the seminar also. We don't want dance to be divisive. We don't want dance to be some dances to be good, some dances to be bad, some forms to be good, some forms to be bad. So world for me means everybody. Everybody should be able to dance. Everybody should be allowed to dance. And happy World Dance Day.
Shivastuti. All the classical dance forms has been nurtured directly or indirectly around Lord Shiva in various forms. The most revered of his forms is that of Lord Nataraja, the Lord of Dancers. In this particular item, the dancer visualizes his dance on the mount of Kailas, accompanied by goddess Parvati. He is surrounded by all gods and goddesses. On the orchestra, he is accompanied by goddess Saraswati on the veena, Lord Indra on the flute, and Lakshmi singing with her golden voice. As Mahavishnu played the mridangam and Lord Brahma played the syllables. This is in Ragamalika and set to Tala Adi. A choreography by Guru Srimati Vaijayanti Kashi.
सौव्यन्तु शूलमभये अन्ये ढमरुकं तथा वामहस्ते तु दोलायम् इतरे
Namaste, I am Guriraj from Bangalore, Kuchipudi dancer, disciple of Srimati Vaijayanti Kashi. Dance. Dance is a small word, but it's a deep meaning. Today I was presented Shivastuti. Shivastuti is the Lord Nataraja, Shiva. The Shiva dancing on the mountain Kailas, surrounded by all gods and goddesses and accompanied by Parvati, Saraswati, Lakshmi, Lord Brahma and Vishnu. Just imagine that Shiva is dancing on mountain Kailas, accompanying all only god and goddesses. How it's beautiful. Like that, when I'm dancing, I felt like that. Maybe I'm dancing on mountain Kailas, not on the floor, not on the stage. So if you felt like that, anybody, means a dancer, so it's easily connect to God feet and to audience. For me, is a dance means culturally highly knowledgeable
and passion, happy and enjoyable, strength and strong. See, this World Dance Day not only for dancers. Anybody can come and watch and learn and experience and explore.
We conclude this whole day's 108 dancers with two pairs of mother and daughter. We thought when art continues from mother to daughter, as you saw mother to son in the written word or the film or the spoken word or the dance word, the mother to daughter relationship is very, very special. One, it is personal, naturally so, and two, it is professional. And when both coils merge and meet, then the result is for you to see. We present to you in this segment one of the finest dancers from West India, Bombay and Ahmedabad, Guru Uma Anantani, who is a principal and ace and senior disciple of Dr. Kanak Rele, a very important name in Mohiniyattam and dance pedagogy, has done research and started Nalanda Institute in Bombay, where several have been trained. Dr. Uma Anantani is an icon and pillar of Ahmedabad and has promoted and projected the art form in that region. And today she pairs with her daughter Shivangi, who's here with us. They've come from Ahmedabad all the way to share the joys of dancing together. Shankaracharya Saundarya Lahari is too well known. You just saw Saroja Amma in the film, in the depiction, and the same will be performed, concluding with a Varnam.
रजनी कुत्सन परा
I'm Shivangi Vikram and I'm a Bharatanatyam artist, learning and studying and even educating in Bharatanatyam for the past 10-15 odd years. She's my foremost guru, Dr. Uma Anantani, and presently also I'm learning under her. I've had my bachelor's and master's in Bharatanatyam from Bombay University, and then I'm also an ICCR and panel artist. How we relate to dance is, we've not had it very difficult from the beginning because we've had that culture from home itself. So for us, this has always been a part of life. It's not something that we have to go out of our way to do. So today coming here was also nothing out of our way, because as she said, we've conducted such events, such workshops, and we know the amount of pressure, the hard work, the administration work that goes behind it. Other than being an artist, all these things also are very important. So it was our token of appreciation for Rashid Bhai and the kind of moral support to him as well. So he continues doing such activities.
Particularly in this piece, it has been composed for her by me, and it's a long piece of almost 30 minutes. But today, I mean, both of us had to compromise because I had to see Shiva in her, and she had to compromise because she had to perform only 5 minutes. So it was a great pleasure.
Radha
dancers will begin with the Upanishadic shloka Purnamadam Purnamida. As a prelude to the sequence, paying obeisance to this penultimate hymn that connects each of us and all of life with the limitless absolute source of creation. Then, just as the seasons of the earth, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, make their grand entries and exits one after the other, each exerting their influence on all of life, the dancers will bring to you the splendor of the universe through rhythm and rasa, each singular and complete in herself. And then with joyous harmony, they will come together celebrating the elements, finally ending the sequence with dynamic rhythmic combined oneness. We present with all our love and humility Advait in Tal Jhaptal, a rhythmic cycle of 10 beats, and Teen Tal, 16 beats, in Rag, Chandrakans and Yaman Kalyan, preluded by India and Her Future album Purnamada Purnamidam, a celebration of independence and coexistence, love and joy, rhythmic accuracy yet a abandon. Namaste.
Hi, we are from Chennai. We represent Devniya. We are a Kathak school based from Chennai. Our guru is Srimati Jigyasa Giri. We've been invited to dance at Alliance Francis, celebrating World Dance Day for the first time. This was our first time. And I think all of us will agree if I say that our experience was wonderful. From 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. just dance is just beautiful. All of us are passionate about dance, and I think it was one great experience for all of us.
We were glad to see other people perform as well. It was a good exposure for us.
Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Ahare Chandra Adi. All the stars, the moon, the sun decorate universe and Shiva, which is why the whole universe dances. And we celebrate World Dance Day. In India, on a Sunday before the actual date, protocoled by United Nations on 29th of April every year, in the memory of the French ballet master Georges Nouvel. The idea was he revived ballet when it was under total demise of patronage from the court. So he revived and he promoted dance. And that's what we are doing today for the city of Bangalore. This is the 5th year of World Dance Day. It's a series which is in the 7th year called Dance Discourse, courtesy the patronage of Alliance Française, Bangalore School of Music, and many other patrons and promoters like Mr. Ramakrishnan, Padmi Ravi, HCG, and Opera House. The idea is to collect all artists of the city and from outside like Pune, Hyderabad, Delhi, Madras, Visakhapatnam, Trivandrum, who come to Bangalore to partake of the spirit of dance that connects all of us. What is dance? It's not just movement. The whole universe is dancing. If you look at the planets, the stars, the stellar system, the universe, everything is in motion. So the body absorbs some of those vibrations, and which is what manifests on a proscenium stage. Indian dance in totality is a world in itself. It is about spiritual discipline more than physical discipline. So you see variety of forms like Yakshagan, Kuriyatam, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Kathak, even Bollywood or hip hop or hoopla. No dance is limiting. Dance is not inclusive. It connects everyone, and it is beyond even inclusivity. Any age group, you can have an 8-year-old, 88-year-old, you can have a 20-year-old. It is a form of self-discipline. It gives us meaning of Sangeet, Sahitya and Shastra. Literature, our ancient texts, and the musicality mode is very important for Indian dance. It is not just about making an artistic statement, but it is about taking forward a whole civilization which over 2000 years has come to this. So when you see so many dancers today, more than 108, which is a mystical number, you feel very satisfied. I think each year the World Dance Day event is growing, and it is growing thanks to genuine people's participation, support of the media, and very many patrons who come and support this event. I think I get all the credit, but the credit goes to Ma Saraswati and some of it to Ma Lakshmi also, who comes and blesses us. Thank you.